Hi, how you going? I'm Leah from Leah's Cookbook Ideas. Today in this video, I'm showing you step by step on how I make my polymer clay earrings. So let's go and I'll show you how I make it. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use this gloss spray I got from Bunnings. Easy to use, this gloss spray from Bunnings. So I'll show you how, and these are the earrings that we will be making. Nice and shiny, see the shine? And just the other one. Okay, let's go. Okay, here I have my colours picked out, and I also have my cutters that I want to use. So I'm going to use the 2 triangles and the circle, and I've also conditioned my polymer clay already. Now for the next step, I've cut my other triangle. Now to cut the circles. Okay, I've rolled out my blue polymer clay and I'm going to use my triangle cutter to cut out the triangles. Then I'm going to use some adhesive glue to put them on. I've just got my blade and I'm going to move my triangles to the baking paper, and I have my oven on at 150 degrees and I'm going to bake them for about 10 to 15 minutes. So let's just move them across like so, and try not to touch them because you don't want fingerprints on them on the top. You can get some alcohol wipe to wipe off the fingerprints if you happen to get them on. Now I'm just going to use this adhesive bakeable Sculpey bacon bond, and I'm just going to put some on the triangles. Now I'm just going to add some Sculpey bacon bond glue to the triangles. Then I'm going to add my other triangle to the top of the pink triangle. Then I'm just going to put it on both of the triangles. You're going to set your oven at 150 degrees and you're going to bake for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once added, then I'm going to start cutting out my other earrings. I'm going to use the pink and the purple, and I've got the triangle and the circle cutters for these. I've used a baby wipe to wipe down my rolling pin to get all the old polymer clay off the rolling pin. That's the best way I find to clean my rolling pin. Now I'm going to roll out my pink clay and my purple clay, and I'm going to cut out my shapes for my other earrings. I like this pastel colour. Looks really nice actually, because I made these earrings for someone else. Okay, now that I've rolled it all out, time to cut. Now I'm using a tile to cut all my polymer clay on. You need, can't cut on just a plain bench, you need glass or a tile to cut on. Now that I'm cutting all the rest of my polymer clay out, and then I'm going to use the bacon bond to add the purple circle to the triangle. Now that's done, I will then add some bacon bond to the triangles, the pastel colour, and then I'm going to add the circles to it, like I'm doing here, like I did previous. And then I'm going to bake for 10 to 15 minutes at 150 degrees. Okay, this is what they look like straight out of the oven. And then I'm going to get a nail file or anything to sand down the edges of the earrings. Just sand the edges that you think need sanding, because there's like a little edge that you can kind of see that needs, that I didn't get off before. And if you do get little finger marks, you could also, before you bake them, use some alcohol wipe to wipe off the finger marks. So that's what it looks like, nice and sanded. Okay, they're ready to go. I'm just going to give the bottle a quick shake, and I'm going to give it a quick spray. And they take about 10 minutes to dry. Okay, look how shiny and glossy these earrings look. There's a little close up. See how shiny and glossy they are? Absolutely gorgeous. I love the shapes. You can make any shape you like, actually. So now I'm going to add the earring findings. I'm using E6000 jewelry and bead glue. It's the best, but you have to let it set for 24 hours after you put the finding on. That's the best one I've found for the jewelry. You can, however, put the findings on through in the polymer clay when you bake them. Up to you.
Okay, this is
now
the
look
end
at
result.
that. There's
How
the end
gorgeous
product.
do they look?
How gorgeous!
And
And I'll just show you the other ones as well.
Nice and shiny. So why don't you guys give it a go and show me what you make. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time for another fun video. Cheers, guys.